Impulse VIP reviews. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in this video, I'm going to give you a short review about is this website is it legit or is it a scam or is it worst for you or is it will be the best for you. Now this is the official Impulse inclusive website and there is an official website review I will show you. These are the things you will experience in your starting whenever you will get known about this job. Build trust through their Impulse in branding and their website. They have multi-phase onboarding process and they have dashboard for tracking simulated earnings on your platform. This is that they claim. Small initial fund request, cryptocurrency payment detection, steadily increasing transfer sizes, and total accrued funds stolen. How to simply detect fake impulse including mall employment platform. In addition to the social media, this scam relies on elaborate fake portals. First, they suspicious domain name, site age, poor grammar and spelling, stock website templates on their website, and no verifiable contact information, too good to be true. And the seventh one is cryptocurrency payment requirements. So this is how you can identify the impulse inclusive job scam offers on your messaging apps. If someone message you, so they will contact you first. Legitimate companies do not contact from their side. Vague job title and description, they will offer you high income for a little amount of time. You will have or you will experience the poor grammar and spelling by their customer service agency, request for your personal information, and urgency to send money. They will ask money from you. What to do if you already paid them and how to get your money back. Simply cease all engagement with them, contact bank and credit card companies, gather any available evidence against them if you have already transferred, report your losses to authorities such as police and cybersecurity. How simply uh, understand that what is it? You can simply avoid uncirculated offers, research all the companies thoroughly, and watch the red flags in it. Confirm video interviews and listen to your intuition, what your mind and subconscious mind say about it. What is the impulse enclosing mall scam? This scam uses unsolicited job offers promoting unbelievable work from home, and the user usually get the message on their WhatsApp or on their social media platform, and they will randomly message you via SMS text or WhatsApp or any messaging platform such as Telegram or etc. And their advertising will be so flexible, and they will claim that they will pay you about $500 weekly. This hooks targets to gather details for further manipulation. Now, what they do is tactics include mirroring impulse, enclosing branded on the impulse enclosing mall, gradually building trust through their earnings, insisting the funds get sent to the unlocked commission visible in dashboard, demanding a heavy amount of money, and then block victim after extracting maximal funds from them. So these are some of the basic sites on the name of impulse. So the conclusion is please stay away from the fake sites and be confident on yourself. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.